Amazon products for a clutter-free home, kitchen, and cleaning needs. Whether you're tackling messy closets, cluttered countertops, or overflowing drawers, these game-changing finds are your secret to a stress-free, clutter-free home. As always, links are in description. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's dive in. Toothbrush holder. This toothbrush holder helps keep your bathroom neat and organized. It features multiple compartments, drawers, and an automatic toothpaste dispenser for convenience. With space for 7 toothbrushes, 4 magnetic cups that drain upside down, it's great for family use. The wall-mounted design is easy to install without drilling and keeps everything ventilated and dry. Over-the-door organizer. This over-the-door organizer is a practical and spacious solution to declutter your space. It has 6 front pockets in 3 different sizes for versatile storage of various items. Additionally, there are 12 mesh side pockets for smaller items like chargers and keys. The organizer can hold up to 50 pounds, providing reliable storage for heavier items. Clip-on reading light. This clip-on reading light is a cozy companion for nighttime reading or working in dim lighting. It provides a soft, warm white glow that is easy on the eyes, ensuring a comfortable experience for extended use. With 2 brightness settings, you can customize the light to suit your needs, whether you're reading in bed or working at your desk. The flexible arm allows you to position the light exactly where you need it, while the USB charging feature eliminates the need for batteries. Lightweight and portable. This light also doubles as a bookmark, making it ideal for travel or use at home. Enjoy uninterrupted reading or crafting with this reliable gadget. Hand candy fruit and vegetable slicer. This versatile slicer is a perfect tool for preparing small fruits and vegetables in your kitchen. It effortlessly cuts items like strawberries, grapes, and baby potatoes into even quarters, making meal prep faster and easier. The design includes a secure protective sleeve, ensuring a mess-free experience and reducing the risk of accidents. It's a must-have for preparing snacks for kids, or creating bite-sized additions for salads, sheet pan meals, or charcuterie boards. You can also use it for slicing cucumbers and carrots into perfect pieces for healthy snacking. Its compact size makes it easy to store and convenient to clean, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Jar vacuum sealer. Preserve your food like a pro with this versatile vacuum sealer, specially designed for mason jars. Compatible with both wide and regular mouth jars, it seals them tightly in just 20 to 40 seconds using a single button operation, making the process quick and hassle-free. The package includes multiple lids and a charging cable, giving you everything you need to start sealing right away. Whether you're storing leftovers, keeping snacks fresh, or sealing dry goods, this gadget helps you maintain food quality for extended periods. It's compact, easy to use, and a great way to reduce food waste while saving money. Ear cleaning tool with camera. Experience advanced ear care with this high-tech cleaning tool, featuring a 1080p HD camera and wide-angle lens for precise visibility. Equipped with LED lights, it lets you see and clean your ears thoroughly while maintaining safety. The device connects seamlessly to an app, allowing you to capture photos and videos of the cleaning process for added assurance. The kit includes 2 ear spoons for efficient wax removal, ensuring a gentle and effective experience for all users. Compact and user-friendly, this tool offers a modern solution to ear hygiene, making it a valuable addition to your personal care routine. Drawer organizer. This drawer organizer combines style and durability, crafted from high-quality brushed aluminum. Its modular design lets you customize the compartments to fit your specific needs, maximizing space use. Installation is simple and tool-free, allowing you to quickly set up your organized space. With this organizer, you'll always find what you need, keeping your home, workspace, or clinic tidy and welcoming. Glass food storage containers. These glass food storage containers are a healthy and practical solution for meal prep. Made from durable borosilicate glass, they're freezer, oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe. The airtight silicone seal and secure hinge clips keep your food fresh and leak-proof, even for soups or liquids, with a variety of shapes and sizes. These containers fit a wide range of storage needs and are resistant to extreme temperatures. Slim rolling storage cart. This slim rolling storage cart fits neatly into tight spaces like kitchen, bathroom, or laundry rooms. It has 3 tiers and side hooks for extra storage of small essentials. The 360 degrees rotating wheels make it easy to move around, and the 2 brakes keep it stable when needed. You can also adjust or remove the shelves for use on countertops if required. Magnetic wristband. Keep all your small tools and parts within reach with this magnetic wristband. A must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Equipped with 10 powerful magnets, it securely holds screws, nails, drill bits, and other small metal items, so you can focus on the task at hand without worrying about losing them. The adjustable strap ensures a snug fit for any wrist size, while the breathable mesh lining keeps it comfortable even during long projects. Made from durable ballistic nylon, this wristband is built to handle tough jobs and withstand regular use. It's a convenient and time-saving solution for home repairs, construction, or crafting projects. Floating shelves. These floating shelves offer a versatile way to organize and decorate your space. The set includes 4 different sizes, letting you arrange them to suit your style and storage needs. Made from natural wood with unique grains, they add a rustic touch to your room, while fitting various decor styles. The sturdy triangle brackets support up to 40 pounds, and installation is straightforward with all hardware included. Wall-mounted cloth drying rack. Save space and dry your clothes efficiently with this wall-mounted drying rack. Made from durable aluminum, it's rust-resistant and hold up to 220 pounds, making it perfect for heavy loads. When not in use, the rack folds flat against the wall, freeing up space in your laundry room, bathroom, or balcony. Installation is flexible, allowing for drill-free or drilled mounting options, depending on your preference. Its simple, functional design fits seamlessly into any space. At $40, this drying rack offers a practical and long-lasting solution for drying clothes without taking up extra room. Phone screen magnifier. Turn your phone into a mini theater. This 20-inch screen magnifier enlarges your phone's display up to 6 times, making it perfect for watching movies, gaming, or even reading. The blue light reduction feature helps minimize eye strain during extended viewing sessions. Its adjustable height and foldable design make it travel-friendly, so you can enjoy an enhanced viewing experience anywhere. Compatible with all smartphones, this gadget is a must-have for anyone who loves entertainment on the go. Watch box. Keep your automatic watches warm and ready to wear with this stylish stylish watch box. It holds up to 4 watches and features 2 rotation modes, clockwise and counterclockwise, to suit different mechanisms. Quiet motor ensures that it operates silently, so it won't disturb you while you work or sleep. The box also includes a transparent lid that allows you to showcase your collection while protecting it from dust and scratches. Priced at $81, this elegant accessory is perfect for watch enthusiasts who want both functionality and style. Jewelry cabinet. Keep your jewelry organized and protected with this stunning cabinet. It features a full-length mirror on the outside, making it easy to check your outfit or try on pieces. Inside, you'll find specialized compartments, including hooks for necklaces, slots for earrings, and drawers for rings. So every item has its place. The interior lighting makes it simple to find what you need, even in low light. Designed to be space efficient, it can be mounted on a wall or hung over a door, keeping your room clutter-free. At $139. It's a chic and practical solution for jewelry lovers. Kitchen extendable strainer. Transform your kitchen routine with this collapsible strainer, designed to save space without compromising functionality. Adjustable from 14 to 20 inches. It fits over most sink sizes, making it convenient for draining everything from pasta to rinsing fruits and vegetables. Its evenly spaced holes ensure quick and efficient draining, while the large capacity accommodates up to 5 quarts of food. Perfect for family meals or meal prep. When not in use, its foldable design allows it neatly into kitchen drawers or cabinets, saving valuable storage space. Durable and easy to clean, this strainer is a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen. Self-stirring coffee mug. Mornings just got easier with this automatic stirring mug. At the press of a button, it mixes coffee, tea, or any powdered drink to perfection, saving you time and effort. Powered by a rechargeable USB battery, it's eco-friendly and convenient. The durable stainless steel design ensures long-lasting use, while the removable bottom makes cleaning a breeze. Whether you're rushing to work or relaxing at home, this mug is a game changer for busy coffee lovers who want their drinks stirred perfectly every time. Folding dish drying rack. Save space and stay organized with this stylish 2-tier dish drying rack. The top tier is perfect for plates, while the lower tier is ideal for bowls, cups, or utensils. Crafted from rust-proof aluminum, it offers both durability and a modern look that complements any kitchen decor. Elevated ridges allow for faster drying. The detachable utensil holder makes it even more versatile. This dish rack isn't just practical, it's a game changer for keeping your kitchen clutter-free and efficient, especially if counter space is limited. Adjustable book stand. If you love reading or working hands-free, this adjustable book stand is the perfect addition to your space. It's designed to hold books of all sizes securely thanks to its elastic clips. You can easily adjust the height and angle to find the most comfortable position, whether you're studying, cooking with a recipe book, or enjoying a novel. The sleek wood and acrylic design not only looks modern, but also features grooves to keep your workspace organized. Foldable and compact, it's easy to store or carry, making it an excellent tool for students, professionals, or avid readers. Electric spin scrubber. Cleaning just got so much easier with this electric spin scrubber. It's designed to tackle tough stains and grime effortlessly, whether it's in your bathroom, kitchen, or even your car. The 6 interchangeable brush heads allow you to customize your cleaning for different surfaces, from tiles to tubs and everything in between. With an adjustable handle, you can reach high or low spots without bending or straining. The long-lasting battery powers up to 120 minutes of cleaning time after just a quick charge. It's the ultimate time-saving tool for keeping your home sparkling clean with minimal effort. Electric mug warmer. Keep your favorite beverages warm with this sleek electric mug warmer. It features 6 adjustable temperature settings, ranging from 130 degrees Fahrenheit to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can enjoy your drink at the perfect warmth. The 12-hour auto shut-off ensures safety, making it great for long work or study sessions. Its compact design fits seamlessly on any desk or table, and it's compatible with most mugs, whether you're sipping coffee, tea, or hot chocolate. This warmer is a thoughtful addition for anyone who loves their drinks warm and cozy. Magnetic spice rack. This magnetic spice rack is made of high-quality steel with a black matte finish, making it both waterproof and rust-proof, ideal for kitchen use. Its strong magnetic design allows it to hold up to 6 pounds without sliding down, ensuring reliable storage. It's very easy to install. No drilling or assembly required. Just attach it to the side of your refrigerator or other iron surfaces. Knife block. This knife block can hold up to 11 knives and has an extra slot for scissors, made from durable rubber wood. It's finished with black paint to complement modern kitchen designs. It also has anti-skid rubber feet on the bottom to keep it securely in place on your countertop. Additionally, a built-in ceramic sharpener allows for easy resharpening of your knives, saving you time and counter space. Cable clips. Tame your cable clutter with this set of 40 cable clips. These handy clips feature strong adhesive backing, allowing them to stick securely to walls, desks, or other surfaces. They're designed to hold cables of various sizes, making it easy to organize everything from phone chargers to computer wires. The set also includes corner clips for routing cables neatly around edges. Installation is quick and hassle-free. Just peel and stick. Best of all, they're easy to remove and won't leave any sticky residue. At only $9, this is an affordable way to keep your workspace or home tidy. Rotating shoe rack tower. Organize your shoe collection like never before with this rotating shoe rack tower, capable of holding up to 32 pairs of shoes. This rack ensures your footwear is always within easy reach. Its 360 degrees rotation feature makes finding the right pair effortless, saving you time and hassle. Beyond shoes, it's versatile enough to store books, display plants, or hold other items. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, while its sleek design enhances the look of any room. Priced at $160, it's a stylish and functional addition to your home that helps you stay organized in style. Storage bin. This decorative storage bin with a lid is perfect for organizing everything from clothing and shoes to office supplies and pet products. The foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use, while the flip-top lid helps keep dust out. Its handles are reinforced to hold a heavy load. Couch console tray with USB-C port. Transform your couch into the ultimate relaxation zone with this armrest tray, designed to fit securely on any armrest, whether soft or firm. This tray provides a stable spot for drinks, snacks, or small items. It even comes with a built-in USB-C port, so you can charge your devices without getting up. The tray includes compartments to help organize your items, making it perfect for movie gaming sessions or just just lounging around. Whether in your living room, car, or RV, this handy accessory is a game changer for comfort and convenience. Available for $59. It's an investment in better relaxation. Fast-drying sink tray. Say goodbye to wet, messy countertops with this fast-drying sink tray made from natural diatomaceous earth. This tray quickly absorbs water, your kitchen or bathroom clean and dry. It's perfect for holding soaps, sponges, or brushes, and fits effortlessly into small spaces. The non-slip rubber feet ensure it stays in place, even on smooth surfaces, while its minimalist design complements any decor. Whether you place it by the sink or in the bathroom, it's a practical tool for maintaining cleanliness. At just $9, it's a budget-friendly way to keep your countertops looking neat and tidy. Floating shelf. Upgrade your home with this beautiful floating shelf that combines style and function. It's perfect for displaying your favorite books, decor, or collectibles while saving valuable floor space. This shelf is designed to mount securely to your wall. Installation easy and hassle-free. The sleek design blends seamlessly with any room theme. Whether you love modern, contemporary, or rustic style, with its sturdy build, it can hold a variety of items without worry, helping to declutter your room and create a clean, organized look. Priced at just $25, this shelf is an affordable way to add both style and storage to your living space. Folding crate. If you need a flexible storage solution, this folding crate is for you. With a large capacity of 49 quarts, it's ideal for storing everything from groceries to household items. When not in use, the crate folds flat, making it easy to store without taking up much space. Made from durable PPC material, it's built to last and can handle heavy loads. Whether you use it for organizing your home, car, or outdoor gear, this crate adapts to your needs. Priced at $20, it's a versatile and practical addition to any home. Vegetable hanging basket. Declutter your countertops with this 3-tier hanging basket. Perfect for storing fruits, vegetables, or even small kitchen tools. It's both functional and decorative. The durable iron construction ensures it can hold plenty of weight, while included metal hooks make it easy to hang from the ceiling. The open design keeps your produce fresh and within reach, and its stylish complements any kitchen decor. Whether you're saving space or adding a touch of charm to your kitchen, this hanging basket is a great choice at $26. Foldable travel hangers. Packing for a trip just got smarter with these foldable hangers made from sturdy materials. They securely hold everything from dresses to baby clothes. Each hanger unfolds smoothly and features non-slip grooves to keep your garments in place. Compact and lightweight, these hangers save space in your suitcase and ensure your clothes stay wrinkle-free while traveling. Whether you're at home or on the move, this set of 30 hangers is a must-have for organized and efficient packing. Folding cutting board. Revolutionize your kitchen prep. This innovative folding cutting board. Its compact design allows it to lock into a flat or folded position, making it easy to store even in small spaces. The built-in knife sharpener is a standout feature, offering both carbide and ceramic sharpening options for precise, razor-sharp blades. With an anti-skid base, it stays steady while you chop, ensuring your safety. Cleaning is hassle-free since it's dishwasher safe. Whether you're slicing fruits, chopping veggies, or prepping meat, this cutting board offers practicality, space-saving convenience, and added functionality all in one. Fridge organizer bins. Keep your fridge neat and organized with this set of clear storage bins. With 14 containers in various sizes, they're perfect for storing fruits, vegetables, snacks, and more. The non-airtight lids allow for airflow, keeping your items fresh longer. These bins are stackable, saving you space, and the pull-out drawers make accessing your ingredients quick and easy. Whether you're meal prepping or just tidying up, these bins are a smart and stylish way to declutter your fridge. Pet nail grinder. Grooming your furry friend just got easier with this pet nail grinder. Unlike traditional clippers, this grinder is gentle and precise, helping you trim your pet's nails without stress. It's cordless and lightweight, making it easy to use anywhere, and it has adjustable speed settings to suit different nail types. The built-in nail guard ensures you don't cut too far, keeping your pet safe and comfortable. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this tool makes nail care a breeze for you and your beloved pet. Air fryer. Looking to upgrade your cooking game? This air fryer system is a fantastic all-in-one solution. It combines the benefits of air frying, baking, and reheating into one compact and portable device. You'll get 2 durable glass containers, one for larger meals and another for smaller portions or meal prepping. These containers can handle high temperatures with ease, making them perfect for a variety of dishes. Plus, the snap lock lids ensure no spills, and the sturdy, safe design means you can use it on any countertop without worrying. Whether you're making crispy fries, reheating leftovers, or baking a quick snack, this tool has you covered. It keeps your kitchen clean at the same time. Heated blanket. Stay warm and snug with this luxurious heated blanket made from plush faux fur and Sherpa fabric. It offers ultimate comfort, retaining warmth even without power. With 10 heat levels to choose from, you can customize your experience, and the automatic shutoff adds a layer of safety. Its extra long cord provides flexibility, so you can use it on your bed, couch, or wherever you like to relax. Plus, it's an energy-efficient way to cut down on heating costs during chilly nights. This blanket is perfect for staying cozy all winter long. All-in-one hammer multi-tool. Be ready for any task with this all-in-one hammer multi-tool. Compact solution for both home projects and outdoor activities. Combining 12 tools in one. It includes a hammer, pliers, wire cutter, saw, and screwdrivers, all made from durable stainless steel for long-lasting use. The tool features a secure locking mechanism to keep everything safely in place when not in use, adding an extra layer of safety. Compact and lightweight. It fits easily in a backpack, glove compartment, or toolbox, making it a versatile choice for DIY enthusiasts, campers, and anyone who loves being prepared for unexpected tasks. Coffee warmer beverage cooler. This innovative travel mug is a game changer for enjoying your favorite beverages on the go, no matter the season. It features dual functionality to heat drinks to a cozy 131 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, or chill them to a refreshing 32 to 44 degrees Fahrenheit. With a 350 milliliters capacity, it's perfectly sized for your coffee, tea, or juice. The one-button control makes switching between heating and cooling modes simple. While the spill-proof lid ensures mess-free portability. Designed with convenience in mind, you can plug it into your car's cigarette lighter, making it ideal for road trips, commutes, or outdoor adventures. Stay refreshed or warm with this versatile travel companion. GPS computer for cycling. Elevate your cycling experience with this feature-packed GPS computer designed to provide real-time performance insight. It tracks essential metrics like V2 max and recovery data, helping you monitor your progress and optimize your rides. Featuring global maps and popularity routing, it guides you through both familiar and unexplored routes with ease. Safety is prioritized with a built-in bike alarm, group messaging, and other features to enhance your riding experience. For mountain bikers, MTB Dynamics offers detailed measurements of jumps and descent smoothness. Whether you're training, commuting, or exploring new trails, this GPS computer is an essential companion for every cyclist. Electric knife set for meat trimming. Make meat preparation simple and efficient with this electric knife set. Designed for precision and ease of use. It comes with stainless steel blades and silver skin pliers to help you trim different cuts of meat with professional level accuracy. Featuring 2 speed settings, you can adjust it to suit the type of meat you're preparing. The set also includes a cut-resistant glove for added safety, allowing you to handle even the toughest cuts with confidence. Convenient storage case keeps all the components organized, making this kit perfect for barbecues, meal prep, or everyday cooking. Streamline your kitchen tasks and enjoy hassle-free trimming every time. Universal travel adapter. Travel smarter with this universal travel adapter, designed to work in over 150 countries. It supports up to 6 devices at once, with 4 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, and AC socket. Certified for safety. It features an 8A fuse and protective shutters to keep your devices secure. Whether you're charging your phone, laptop, or camera, this adapter is a reliable companion for international travelers. Compact and lightweight. It's a must-have for anyone planning a global adventure. Indoor garden kit. Bring fresh herbs and veggies into your home with this hydroponic indoor garden kit. Forget soil. This system uses water and a smart LED grow light to encourage faster, healthier plant growth. The transparent tank lets you watch plants thrive, and the built-in automatic timer takes the guesswork out of watering. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this kit makes growing your own produce easy and enjoyable. Perfect for fresh basil, lettuce, or even flowers. It's a year-round solution for anyone looking to add a green touch to their home. Corner shower caddy. This corner shower caddy helps you organize your bathroom essentials while saving space. Its L-shaped design fits perfectly into 90 degrees corners, keeping bottles and toiletries neatly arranged. The strong adhesive can support up to 40 pounds, making it sturdy enough for heavy items like large shampoo bottles. Installation is easy and requires no drilling or tools. Just clean the surface, apply the adhesive, and attach the caddy. Heated jacket. Cold weather won't slow you down with this high-tech heated jacket. It's built to keep you warm in any chilly situation. With 6 carbon fiber heating zones that heat up in just 3 seconds. Made from durable, weatherproof fabric. It's ideal for outdoor adventures like hiking, camping, or skiing. What's more, jacket's rechargeable battery lasts up to 9 hours on the lowest heat setting, and it even includes a USB port so you can charge your phone on the go. Stylish, functional, and incredibly cozy. This jacket is perfect for anyone who loves staying active during the colder months. Kitchen silicone utensil. Tired of messy countertops while cooking? This silicone spoon rest is here to save the day. It's thoughtfully designed with 4 spacious slots to hold multiple utensils. So you can keep your spatulas, spoons, or ladles organized while you work. Made from heat-resistant silicone, it's sturdy enough to handle the heat of your kitchen and ensures that spills and drips are contained. Cleaning is a breeze. Just pop it in the dishwasher or rinse it under running water. Whether you're an expert chef or just making dinner for the family, this spoon rest is a practical and stylish way to keep your kitchen neat and tidy. Portable mini fridge. Say hello to ultimate convenience with this compact portable mini fridge. It has a 4-liter capacity, perfect for storing snacks, drinks, or even skincare products. At just 4 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for dorm rooms, offices, or road trips. Its energy-efficient design ensures quiet operation, so it won't disturb your space. Whether you're using it at home or taking it on the go, this mini fridge keeps your essentials cool and within reach, all while saving energy and adding a touch of modern functionality. Magnetic screen door. Enjoy fresh air without the hassle of bugs with this magnetic screen door. Its self-closing mechanism makes it super convenient, especially if you have pets or kids running in and out. The heavy-duty mesh is durable yet lightweight, ensuring it can withstand frequent use. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach it with the included hook and loop tape and push pins for extra stability. Whether it's for your home, patio, or balcony, this screen door offers a simple and effective way to keep your space comfortable and pest-free. Ultrasonic cleaner. Keep your dental appliances spotless with this ultrasonic cleaner. It uses high-frequency ultrasonic waves to remove plaque, stains, and build up in just 5 minutes. Simply add water and place your appliance in the pot. It's that simple. For tougher stains, you can pair it with cleaning tablets for an even deeper clean. Ideal for retainers, dentures, or even jewelry. This device is compact, efficient, and perfect for maintaining oral hygiene at home or on the go. Smart pill organizer. Stay on top of your medication schedule with this smart automatic pill dispenser. Designed for ease and convenience, it features a smooth opening mechanism that makes accessing your pills hassle-free, even for seniors or those with arthritis. With smart reminders, you'll never miss a dose again. The rechargeable battery lasts up to a month, so you won't have to worry about constant recharging. Whether it's for yourself or a loved one, this pill dispenser is a reliable tool to simplify daily medication management and bring peace of mind to your routine.